Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this quarter circle with a center A, fully inscribed in a trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the side length of this trapezoid BC is 2 units, and the angle BCD is 45 degrees. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's recall the circle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle between the radius and the tangent line will always be exactly 90 degrees. So no wonder this angle ADC is going to be 90 degree angle, since this AD is our radius and this CD is our tangent line. And now let's recall the definition of a trapezoid. Sometimes we call it the trapezium, a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. And we can see this angle is a 90 degree angle and this angle is 90 degrees as well. So therefore this side AB is going to parallel to this side CD. So therefore we conclude that this quadrilateral ABCD is indeed a trapezoid. And now I am going to label this radius AD as lowercase r. And likewise, AB is the radius of this very same quarter circle. I'm going to label this one lowercase r as well. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular BE on this side CD. And now let's focus on this right triangle BEC. And we know this angle is our 90 degree angle and this is our 45 degrees angle. And we know the sum of three interior angles in a right triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore we conclude that this angle EBC has got to be 45 degree angle. So therefore we conclude that this triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle, since this angle is 45 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees as well. So therefore we conclude that this side EC has got to be equal to this side BE. And if I label this EC side as lowercase a, then this BE side is going to be lowercase a as well. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle BEC. And here's the Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 2 units, whereas our two other legs are lowercase a and lowercase a as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got a square plus a square is going to be equal to 2 square. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate a square. And here we can see 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore a square value turns out to be equal to 2. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be square root of 2 units. So therefore this EC length which is being represented by lowercase a turns out to be square root of 2. And likewise this BE length turns out to be square root of 2 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this AD length is going to be equal to this BE length. If this length is square root of 2, then this AD length has got to be square root 2 units as well. So therefore we can see our radius lowercase r value turns out to be square root of 2. So therefore our this AB length is also radius lowercase r, so this length is going to be square root of 2 units as well. And furthermore, this AB length is going to be equal to DE length. If this is square root of 2, then this DE length has got to be to square root of 2 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole CD length is going to be the sum of these two segments, square root of 2 plus square root of 2. That is going to give us 2 times square root of 2 units. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this green shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of this trapezoid minus the area of the quarter circle. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of the trapezoid and the area of the quarter circle as well. Before we could calculate the area of this green shaded region. And now we are going to calculate the area of the trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to the height h times the sum of two bases a and b all over 2. And here in our case the height of this trapezoid is square root of 2. And this basis of this trapezoid is square root of 2. And this other base of this trapezoid is 2 times square root of 2. So therefore the area of this trapezoid ABCD is going to be square root of 2 height times our one base is square root of 2 and the other base is 2 times square root of 2 all over 2. And here we can see inside this parentheses that is going to give us 3 times square root of 2. So therefore we can write square root of 2 times 3 times square root of 2 divided by 2. And now we know square root of 2 times square root of 2 is going to be simply 2. So therefore that is going to give us 2 times 3 divided by 2. And if we simplify, that is going to give us simply 3 square units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this quarter circle. We are talking about this quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area of a circle is always equal to pi r square, where lowercase r is the radius. And since we are dealing with this quarter circle, so the quarter circle area is going to be pi times r square, and we are going to divide it by 4. And our lowercase r radius is square root of 2. So I'm going to substitute that value over here. So therefore I can write pi divided by 4 times the square root of 2 whole square. And we know this square root of 2 whole square is simply 2. So therefore we are ended up with 2 pi divided by 4. And if we reduce that thing, that is going to give us pi divided by 2 square units. And here's our final step. We are going to calculate the area of the green shaded region. And now let's recall this equation once again. The green shaded region area is equal to the trapezoid area minus the quarter circle area as well. And we already figured out trapezoid area as 3 and the area of the quarter circle as pi divided by 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got 3 minus pi divided by 2. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded turns out to be 3 minus pi divided by 2 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 1.43 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.